Hello, I'm Miss A. Soma. Welcome to my Japanese learning lesson. In this video, we are going to talk about pitch accent. This lesson will help you to speak Japanese perfectly like a native speaker, and it will also benefit people who want to become a voice actor in Japan. And it is also useful to all levels of students to understand how Japanese accents sound. So, let's get started. Often, Japanese textbooks say Japanese pronunciation is flat. In a way, that's correct. We don't say konnichiwa, 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 konnichiwa. We just say konnichiwa. We generally don't put any stress on particular syllables, so it may sound flat to most non-native speakers. However, if pronunciation is totally flat, it would sound like はじめまして、相馬です。よろしくお願いします。This sounds like very old PC's text-to-speech robotic voice, doesn't it? Japanese isn't perfectly flat. On the contrary, it has its own melodies called pitch accent. And in fact, like most other languages, each word has its own melody. This is mi-kan. High, low, low. This is not mi-kan. Low, high, low. And this is not mi-kan. Low, high, high. This is mikan. These patterns are called pitch accent. Each pattern has its own name. The patterns of mikan, high low, is called atama daka gata, which translates literally as head high style. Banana, lettuce, gohan. The patterns of low, high, low is called naka taka gata, which means middle high style. 卵、お菓子、砂糖. The patterns of low, high, high is split into two patterns. Heiban gata, which means flat, and odaka gata, which means tail high style. They cannot be distinguished by words themselves. When we have words and one hiragana particle, like wa, ga, o, e, ni, the difference can be understood. Moyashi, this is odaka. Odaka makes it low after the word, so particle is low. Moyashi o. Moyashi o, kokoro o, otoko o, onna o. Ringo is heiban, and heiban makes it flat after the word. Ringo o, リンゴを、魚を、大人を、子供を。みかんを買う、卵を買う、リンゴを買う、もやしを買う。So to summarize, there are 4 accent patterns, and every word has its own accent pattern. So you may be asking, do we have to memorize all word patterns? Don't worry about it. I have some friends who are professional voice actors and narrators, and even they don't memorize all of them, and they carry a pronunciation dictionary and they check it when the ranakals and familiar words. And there's a pronunciation dictionary for non-native speakers online. And this page is really useful, and I also use this page to confirm my pitch accent. Just put the word you want to know in the blank, and its accent pops up. This accent mark shows you at what point you should make it lower. Actually, most Japanese don't know this concept very well. We don't even know the word of pitch accent. And Tokyo, and Osaka, are very different. And even if you mispronounced みかんをください or みかんをください, we can fully understand it if you keep these 3 factors that I explained in my previous video. These concepts are far more important than today's lesson. So if you didn't watch that video, I recommend watching that now. If you keep these 3 factors, your Japanese perfectly understandable. However, if you want sound totally natural, you must be familiar with pitch accent. Before I end today's lesson, I want to talk about something which is very confusing for a Japanese learner to understand. If you have been studying Japanese for a long time, I'm sure you have seen many kanji characters. And when you saw the hiragana for kanji characters, you noticed the hiragana is the same! Don't worry, Japanese also feels the same. And don't worry, some words has different pitch accent. Same hiragana, different kanji, and different pitch accents. And I will introduce in part 3 of pitch accent video some common kanji. Same hiragana, different pitch accents. In my next video, I will talk about how to use pitch accent in reading sentences and how to exaggerate Japanese like anime characters. And I'm also making other videos about the core culture of Japan, so please subscribe and check out my channel for past Japanese learning videos. どうもありがとうございました。どうもお疲れ様でした。See you.